Welcome to the world's most expensive vodka. Billionaire Vodka is the most exclusive vodka in the world and the choice of the most financially successful individuals on the planet. A vodka which costs $3.7 million USD is simply not affordable unless you have a few $100 billion at your perusal. If enjoying only the very best vodka is your quest, only drink Billionaire Vodka. Vers is no newbie when it comes to million-dollar drinks, as evidenced by the $1 million champagne or Le Billionaire champagne that he had unveiled earlier, which was surprisingly sold out completely. The Billionaire Vodka from the House of Leo's Vers Luxury Group is filled with 5 liters of the purest and softest vodka, their words not ours. We would certainly not be updating this blog if we could afford sips of $3.7 million drink. The vodka is made from a Russian recipe where it is distilled from pure wheat and crystal clear water, multiple number of times. However, normal filtering is just not enough for this vodka, so the secret recipe even calls for flowing the water over diamonds, real ones, worth millions of dollars. Whether diamonds have a flavor, that we do not know, but if it does, then surely it will be present in this Billionaire Vodka from Leon Vers. In a world where every choice is a statement of who we are, Billionaire embodies everything the vodka experience has come to represent, and does so with smooth, vivacious opulence. There's a dimension to Billionaire Vodka that identifies it as the vodka of choice, not only by those with the palate educated in the enjoyment of refined flavors, but also to elite individuals new to this most enjoyable of Epicurean delights. The world's rarest vodka comes in a platinum and rhodium encased diamond encrusted crystal bottle with solid gold labels and neckband encrusted with channel set diamonds and Billionaire embellishment and crowned with a numbered diamond speckled hand-mounted platinum flocked foil seal. Billionaire Vodka, profound and perfect. Billionaire Vodka offers unrivaled luxury and unsurpassable quality for the passion and pursuit of perfection only associated with the world's most expensive vodka. Superior taste and elite quality personally hand-delivered by white-gloved armed secure courier worldwide at the location of your behest.